Hey guys, we're back playing Night. I literally just woke up 2 hours ago, um, waiting for Shy to get up so then we can play together. So I won't be recording for the rest of the day. Maybe. I gotta go grab my coffee, then we can jump in. Okay, I got my coffee now. Let's get in. We. Um, I'm just gonna say milk. Kind of fun. Mm-hmm. You stupid ass bug. I hate mosquitoes, but where are they? I gotta go over here.
I'm so glad we get to check this place off our list before leaving Hetero. Do, Doggy? Doggy do? Absolutely! Let's go snap some nutshell over there. Doggy do.
Understood, sir. We're approaching a pivotal moment.
What's our next move?
Next on the plan, Sir Tagido's Operation Love Confession.
Operation Love Confession. Is Tagido really planning to confess here? What are the odds of this actually working?
Based on our discussion last night, the key to this phase is to create a scene with enough impact. We need to give Taco a major surprise, but it also needs to be conspicuous and grandiose enough to naturally draw the attention of everyone around.
Is there a specific reason for doing it this way?
Under the influence of surprise and awe, the object of affection might become overwhelmed with emotion. Moreover, the attention and admiration from onlookers will create a sort of invisible pressure. Even if Taco isn't ready to reciprocate the feelings outright, she'll find it hard to refuse firmly in such a situation. This gives Tagido a better chance of getting at least an "I'll think about it" kind of response.
I see. So that's the psychological strategy at play here.
Can I get a good focus point? Not today.
It's all based on relationship advice Edgar found in magazines. However, I personally have some reservations about this plan. As mentioned before, it's difficult to refuse in front of a crowd. This means a grand public confession might put undue pressure on the recipient.
So you're considering it from the perspective of respecting Taco's wishes.
Yes. During last night's discussion about this plan, I hesitated to bring up this point. I wondered if we were too focused on Tagido's emotional expression as the confessor, while overlooking Taku's feelings as the recipient. I decided against mentioning it, partly to avoid dampening their enthusiasm, but also for two other reasons. On the one hand, Taco is quite fond of dramatic scenes in TV shows. A flashy romantic approach might indeed appeal more to her tastes. On the other hand, since Tagido believes this is the best way to express his feelings fully, we should support his all-out effort as his friends. After all, our initial goal was to help him avoid any regrets. I'm sharing these concerns with you, Appraiser, in hopes that we can work together during the upcoming Operation Love Confession, and be prepared to adapt to any unexpected situations.
Oh, I understand what you're getting at, Adler. You want us to keep a close eye on Taco's reactions, right?
Precisely. We're not just looking out for Sir Tagido. Taco's feelings are equally important. If things don't go as planned, we should be ready to step in to prevent any awkwardness and protect both parties and the relationship from harm. Of course, the ideal scenario is for everything to go smoothly without any need for our intervention.
Adler is so thoughtful, considering even Taco's feelings. No problem. Protecting the boss and also the boss's beloved is exactly what we capable lieutenants should do.
Thank you for your understanding, Appraiser.
So, about this big surprise in the plan, what exactly are they planning to...
It seems they've opted for a rather clever approach that's budget-friendly, but should still be reasonably effective.
Adler! Over here!
Oh? Looks like the supplies have arrived as well.
Hold on. See a random what she was
Another
playing
new
last
day.
night. She didn't do something.
I don't do vague requests. Hey, the wind's picking up.
Greetings to you.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
We.
Hold on. Let me get out whatever Kiramaru gobbled.
So, yeah.
Should we head out?
I know, Monkey, I'm a bad human, okay? It's Monday. Because I feel like my first freaking pizza and my first freaking last night, and then the taco bowl wasn't in the
The paperwork you need is on the desk.
Need to send them, then I'm gonna go back, level up any that I can.
I'm always available.
Any fish.
Who calls upon the name of Haniel? Wanna hang out? Another new day.
You did not just do that. Girl, no.
Pleasure working with you.
You're a butt.
What? To fight? Yes. I'm not making the same mistake you did.
Which was good.
Not level up your characters before fighting a level 25.
I still beat her ass.
Hey, the wind's
Still, I'm doing it. I'm leveling them up. You can bite my. You can kiss my ass.
Level 20 beat level 25? Hell yeah. I can probably beat level 30 with my characters.
Everything we need for the trip is ready.
Because the thing is, you have to, like, with how I do it, I freaking rapid click until I
I don't
notice
do
one's
vague
going
requests.
off. One of the ones on my team is going off. And
Wah.
Bug, you do realize you're supposed to, like, cover every square?
Ma'am.
Hi. So. So.
Why is he
Peoples?
doing that? Yes, yes.
Huh?
It's not gonna change, apparently.
Looking at what's on the table that belongs to who belongs to what, or what belongs to who, and what I need
I'm
somebody
gonna
to
try
do,
to puzzle it myself.
and this could smell a bit, okay? The roses need to go out into the trash. They cannot go into the compost bin because they have thorns. With it being all moldy and crap, it might smell a bit once you remove the roses. But it should be safe to dump the water into the hibiscus, and then that vase needs washed. Peoples.
Weird. Okay.
And those are dyed, so those need to go in the trash too. Okay? And then do the same thing with the water. Wash the vase. Okay? With people showing up this weekend,
Another new day.
I need to find my table. So I really need some help. I know we're gonna have to find a home for your bag. The bag.
Yes, I noticed.
That's not on my table. Okay?
The bag of paint supplies, I'm guessing. Okay,
The paints and the palettes, they need a home, not on my table.
Okay. I was planning on painting today, though.
You better clean it up and you better not mark anything that's not supposed to be marked.
Okay, I will try my
I'm here.
Sitting in
Pretty lively here.
I will
Trust
try
me.
my best.
Oh, Nano's over here. Oh, wow.
Imagine it though. He's over here.
I'm actually gonna get something done. Oh, now that you do have bright paint.
Thank you for your effort in bringing it here.
For what?
Oh, I'm already past that point, Chad.
I was asking what the paint. What do you mean the colors were right for?
JJ wanting to paint something?
Okay.
We've been running around non-stop. I'm absolutely wiped out.
Now I just need to find paintbrushes.
Good luck with that, because whoever used them last day you lost them.
I know, they all just...
We've done all we can. Now it's Tango's time to shine.
It appears this plan was put together rather hastily, with many aspects left unchecked for feasibility. However, so far, things seem to be proceeding relatively smoothly.
It's all thanks to the Colucci's unbeatable adaptability and can-do spirit.
I'll be right back. And I'm back.
In other words, you're just relying on everyone else to pick up the slack, right?
Everything is in place now. Let's inform Sir Tagido.
Shouldn't we watch Takido's show from a bit further away? I mean, only a dummy like him wouldn't find it suspicious to see so many similar faces in one day.
They do I need to pick up the dope boxes or not? Apparently not. Can I jump over this? I didn't get damaged.
Excuse me, boss. Everything you requested is ready. Doggy. What's up, Doggy girl? Not happy with how the shop turned out? Don't worry. The fun by the beating will be later for Doggy. Oh, what's the exciting surprise?
Bug! These come with lids! Look at how cute this is! It comes with lids! I'm like, oh, that is cool. Also, it's little pink. It's not those little containers we usually have.
Doggy.
I need to find a brush. Did you find yeah, because we keep losing them. Where are they just disappearing?
Takiro can actually do something like this? Oh, doggy.
What the freak? Bro! I know. Bro just grabbed the plushie. Oh, I gotta fight. Yay. Early in the morning. Come here. Bye, bitch. You missed.
Fight it. Fight hero. I'm here,
I won't let you do this now.
I just realized he uses a cane as a sword. That he uses his cane. Or uses a cane. Even though he ain't that old.
Time for the professionals to take over.
What is up with it? What are you doing? Wait, what are you doing?
Thank you for your patronage.
You haven't seen that move? Hey, I hit dodge. American breathing. Genya reference!
Oh, yeah.
Trust me.
I couldn't move, I was stuck!
Good thing I'm not late.
Shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you started on like 10
Okay. Okay.
I won't let you down.
I need to just start stacking as much as I can. There's two. That ain't fair.
Let's finish this. Here it is.
Good thing I'm not that. My mistake.
I will see through the nexus.
Rest for a moment.
Where'd it go?
No big deal. Here comes the whirlwind.
I won't let you despair. Selfless, formless.
Time for the professionals to take over. Let me take over. Please, let's settle. I will see through the nexus. Fight it. Fight hero!
Stop the multiplying.
Time for the professionals to take over.
Over now. Is everyone all right?
Sorry.
I'm totally fine. Mr. Adler swooped in
now?
and saved me just in the nick of time. That's a relief. Dadagi! Dada! That really gave me a fright.
I'm afraid we didn't fully understand this anomaly, even though it's a commercially available product.
I remember hearing someone at DSD say there was something odd about Imaginado, but I didn't think much of it at the time.
There we go, I got it.
Who would have thought its nature was that when molded into a living creature, it actually comes to life like that?
Yes, sir. You did an excellent job.
I really love this gift! Even though this accident happened and we couldn't keep it. But just like Takido said, it'll be really hard to forget such a special performance in the...
Actually, that's good probably.
Thank you, Takido! He died! Takido really did give it his all, didn't he?
Damn, we had to clean it. It was an accident.
Trust me.
Trust me, it was an accident.
This room will be done cleaning up soon.
Bruh.
Finally! We did it! Stuck here doing this mind-numbing task for days. How dumb. Doggy. I could have seen this coming. We were just winging it ourselves. That's too bad for you. That otter lady isn't in Hethro anymore.
Oh, she was an otter? She looked like a bear.
I found a tiny random brush. I'm gonna use it.
It's tiny.
I'm not gonna worry about finding any other brushes, bro. I've
People
not been
closed for days now. If we keep this up, the landlord's gonna think we've finally gone bust and come rushing to take back the place. We're just wrapping up.
Everyone's been working hard, so we're finishing up ahead of schedule.
Listen up, you little troublemakers. Don't think you can just sit back and let Adler take the fall for you this time. If you cook up another half-baked scheme and blow things out of proportion, or if you mess around with someone's scenic spot again, and we end up with people banging on our door demanding compensation, if that happens, what you'll have to do won't be as simple as a bit of cleaning. Do you understand? You're not gonna make us do shady jobs to pay for the damages, are you? Shady jobs? Those sleazeballs at Easy Hire have been watching you guys head out with your tools before sunrise every day. Today they had the nerve to come over, putting on this fake concern act, asking if we'd finally gone broke and were making you do illegal work to pay off debts. They even offered to help out with some job connections. Now who do we have to thank for all this? Doggy. All right, wrap it up and let's head back. This heat is killing me.
The other one in a really
Just got a
lapped up like
postcard earlier.
dress, like
It's here.
overly like layered dress.
Taka? Here, wanna take a look? Taka doggy! Doggy doggy do! Wow, Tagido! Look at you!
It seems Taco has indeed been touched by Tagido's sincerity.
Oh.
gotcha.
Let me see. Dear Mr. Adler, thank you so much for risking your life to save me that day.
Uh, Mr. Adler has always been quite popular with oddities, hasn't he?
Well, now I can get my. He decided to bombard me with the cutscene. Let me get my agreements. Wow. Do.
No. I fixed.
But everywhere. Something's itching my ankle, the back of my ankle, near my Achilles tendon. We. There we go. What do you mean that the paint is actually paint, JJ?
Let me see. Well, you said the paint is actually paint.
If you do, I'm gonna be grumpy. Bruh, get down. Chips. Oh, it's the chips that Natalie likes. What the fuck am I doing?
Getting soggy. I can feel it.
JJ, remember, you don't need that much paint.
I'm not using that much.
Okay.
If we're gonna start nitpicking about the paints,
I'm not
on
nitpicking.
On day one, I'm not gonna buy anymore. How about that?
What the freak is going on with my vehicle? Why is it all laggy? Oh, that's one. You saw me!
Ow! Stop it!
Phantom. Game is lagging. What the freak? Unlag. Now I can get a receipt for running red lights in this game. Real life, you probably could. Or get a ticket for it. Why is it on a building? Oh. What do you get for now? Dude. Let's do that. I hope I see you again. No, put your hand into the city in the back down. How dare you? How dare you? I was getting into that. I was getting into that song. Was it an ad?
Each color is hiding a little kitty. That little purple square, there's definitely a cat there. Now you need to mark X's all around the kitty because cats won't hang out right next to each other. Plus, cats won't share.
Do I need to use an elevator?
The wind's just right.
Random. The mouse is on my earth again. The police is again. I'm being glided down. Use no call. Like when you know to buy. I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, move me closer. Have a seat of your rover. How dare you again?
It's going a little quick. What do you mean?
Let me see.
No, it's fast.
No lag game, please. Where's an elevator? I need an elevator. Where's an elevator? What is going on? Can I just get outside? I'm in the freaking wreck. And then we see that you're all fucking and now you can't afford. But that tattoo on your shoulder, feel the sheets right up the corner of the mattress that you stole. Back and move and we what the frick? Climb the tree. I know you can climb shit. Climb the tree. I'm gonna crash it on this computer. Come on.
Perfect angle.
I cannot get a thing. Bruh, my network is not unstable, excuse you. This is why you are horrible at typing, random. How do I get up there? And there's meant to be an elevator, apparently. Come here.
Ah! Hey, somebody gonna take care of the flowers today? Yes or no? Okay.
I'm scared. Yeah, I'm still stuck. Ow. What the freak? I'm not gonna listen. Chad, is there a chest up here or something? No. Where's an elevator?
Oh, move! I'm gonna shut you in the door. I'm gonna shut you in the door. I don't have time for this. Get out of my way. Move, you fuzzy.
Maybe we gotta get there. Wait.
Ow! Right light.
Sorry. I have my flashlight on so I can see how.
Oh my
So I
goodness.
can see where feet is.
Hi. I'm there, they are.
How?
That's what I'm saying.
What is going? How am I meant to get up there? Random! This is not working!
That's a you.
There's no elevator!
Oh, you better find stairs.
There are no stairs! There are no stairs!
I'm not even at that point, Chad. Don't ask me for help.
I just wrote back in the basement and do
Where do you
shit.
wanna go?
I'm in a bank, I'm trying to get a waypoint to get XP! And it's on the roof! There's no elevator or
Are you sure you're
stairs!
supposed to be in the bank?
I can't get outside, I can't climb outside of the bank.
Why can't you climb outside of the bank?
Because it won't work! I tried climbing the side. I tried climbing the wall. Can it not lag? I don't care if the Wi-Fi is unstable. Stop lagging.
Well, you can't climb inside the bank.
Well, I can't climb outside the bank. Hold on. Where am I going?
Apparently into a basement. Oh shit!
I figured it out.
You just want past Fluffy. Calm down. Ah!
Wow. JJ,
Done. Oh.
help a mom.
I'm fine.
Shoot, sock.
You're fine.
Mom.
No, it's my hand. Just quit. I'm fine.
Stop being stubborn.
What?
Stop being stubborn.
The wind's just right.
I don't know if the stitches are too freaking tight or if I'm pulling something or if it's the skin or what, but I'm not a happy camper. Shoot.
Well,
Perfect
bud.
angle.
I have to go because I have no time. I can't even eat. I have to go. I have to go. I can't even find. Where the hell
The
is it?
wind's just right.
Maybe it's an SUV?
I put it in.
Fudge, give me a second, y'all.